Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. So, let's get started. Open the Cash App on your device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of icons. We're going to tap on the clock icon, which takes you to your activity page. This page lists all your past transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and purchases. If you've recently made a Bitcoin transaction, it should appear at the top of this list. However, if it's an older transaction, you'll need to scroll down until you find it. Look specifically for transactions labeled as withdrawals. On Cash App, when you send Bitcoin out, it's categorized under withdrawals. Once you've located the correct withdrawal, tap on it to open the transaction details. Here, you'll see an option labeled Web Receipt. Tap on Web Receipt, and this will open a detailed view of your Bitcoin transaction. On this page, you'll see important information, including the transaction status, amount sent, receiving address, and more. To locate your transaction hash ID, look for a long string of letters and numbers displayed in blue under the section labeled Transaction. This sequence is your unique Bitcoin transaction hash ID. Next to the hash ID, you'll notice a small, white copy icon. Tap on it and you'll see a quick notification saying Copied. This means the hash ID has been successfully copied to your clipboard and you can now paste it wherever it's needed, whether it's for verification, sharing with someone, or for your records. And that's how you find and copy your Bitcoin transaction hash ID on Cash App.